My name is Dana Gadigan. I'm an Ag and Natural Resource Educator with Purdue Extension in Vigo County. What I'm going to do today is show you how I do container gardening outside in the spring and summer. The way that I container garden outside is by planting pollinator-friendly plants. So I use cinder blocks and fill them with plants such as lemongrass, sage, borage, all around the perimeter of my garage. I use pollinator-friendly plants because they feed native bees, honeybees, and butterflies, which is both beautiful and contributes to our food source. So what I'm going to show you today is how I plant one of these pollinator-friendly plants, such as lemon balm. And that's what we're going to work with today, lemon balm. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that you tackle container gardening or plant a pollinator garden of your own.